In the picturesque Transylvanian village of Pianu de Jos, a remarkable transformation is taking place, thanks to the dedication of people like Dana Chitucescu. Every week, the 51-year-old collects a sack full of empty bottles, cans, and glass, and takes it to her local shop, a simple yet powerful act. Romania's deposit return system, DRS, introduced just 2 years ago, has become an integral part of daily life for millions of Romanians. Imagine paying a small fee of 0.50 RON, around 9 pence, for each soft drink or alcoholic beverage bottle you buy, and then getting that money back when you return the clean packaging to the shop. It's a brilliant incentive for people to recycle, and Chitucescu, like many others, is reaping the benefits. She earns around 40 RON weekly from recycling, which covers the expenses for her 7 cats' food. But here's the real kicker. Romania's recycling rates have skyrocketed from being among the lowest in the EU to an impressive 94% for beverage packaging in just 2 years. This is a dramatic shift that has caught the attention of the world. Gemma Webb, CEO of Retuaro, the company behind this success, proudly declares, "It's a zero-to-hero story." The system ensures clean, easily recyclable products with full traceability, knowing the journey of every bottle. Since its launch in November 2023, Romanians have returned a staggering 7.5 billion beverage containers, including 4 billion PET bottles, 2 billion metal cans, and 1.5 billion glass containers. This equates to over 500,000 tons of high-quality recyclable materials. Romania's achievement is even more remarkable considering its previous position at the bottom of Europe's recycling statistics. For over a decade, the country's municipal waste recycling rate stagnated between 11% and 14%, while the rest of the EU surged ahead. In 2021, Romania ranked last in the EU for circular material usage, with only 1% of materials being recycled and reintroduced into the economy. However, the tide turned in 2018 when the government initiated discussions about the DRS. Retuaro began operations in 2022, and despite a tight timeline, the scheme launched in late 2023 with 9 counting and sorting centers across the country. The scheme's success lies in its return-to-retail model, where shops selling containers must provide reverse vending machines or process packaging manually. This, coupled with a nationwide advertising campaign, has led to 90% of Romanians using the system at least once, and 60% returning packaging regularly. But here's where it gets controversial. While Romania's DRS is a massive success, it currently only covers a small fraction of the country's overall waste stream. Beverage packaging accounts for just 5% of all waste generated. Even with a 100% return rate for beverage containers, the overall waste recycling rate would see only a minor increase. Environmental groups applaud the system but emphasize the need to address the bigger waste problem. Elena Rasti from the NGO Zero Waste Romania advocates for a shift in focus towards reuse. Collection is one thing, but reuse is transformative. When packaging is returned, washed, and refilled, it becomes a valuable resource, not waste. A single reusable bottle can replace dozens of single-use ones, reducing carbon emissions and fostering a truly circular economy. As Romania's DRS gains international recognition, Chitucescu's experience reflects the tangible impact on local communities. Heavy rain no longer sweeps bottles into streams, and the village streets are cleaner. Her brother, living in Spain, admires Romania's exceptional success, a rare feat in his country. What do you think? Is Romania's deposit return system a model for the world to follow, or should it be expanded to tackle a broader range of waste? The debate is open, and your insights are welcome.